Hi people, thank you for clicking and welcome back. If you're new here, please subscribe. Today we are going to be making fudgy brownies with the simplest recipe ever. And here are our ingredients. So we have eggs, caster sugar, brown sugar, melted butter, cocoa, coffee, vanilla essence, chocolate chips, grated chocolate and flour. We're going to start by mixing the eggs, caster sugar and melted butter. We are then going to add in the brown sugar and the grated chocolates. After mixing this, we are going to sift the flour, cocoa and coffee together. Now I'm going to fold it in. Once mixed together, I'm going to add in the vanilla. Guys, our batter is ready and I don't have the rectangular tin. We are going to pour the batter into the tin we have, then sprinkle a handful of chocolate chips. We are going to bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Guys, with our brownies ready, you can serve them with a glass of milk and have them as a snack. Amazing. Guys, please try this recipe and comment down below for feedback. And if you're new here, please subscribe for more videos like this. See you next Thursday.